Premise pays real money for simple location-based tasks. But what you earn depends heavily on where you live. That's the part most reviews skip. By the end of this, you'll know if Premise is legit, how it pays, and whether it's worth downloading in 2026. Here's the direct answer. Yes, Premise is legit. People do get paid. The bigger question is whether the pay is worth your time. Premise works differently from survey apps. Instead of answering questions all day, you complete real-world tasks. That can mean taking photos of store shelves, checking prices, answering short local surveys, or verifying business locations. That's why your city matters. If you live in a busy area, you usually see more tasks. If you're in a smaller town, the app can feel empty. That affects your income fast. The pay structure is simple. Each task shows the reward before you accept it. Smaller survey-style tasks might pay under $1. Field tasks like taking photos or checking product availability usually pay more because they require travel. The good part is transparency. You know the payment up front. The bad part is time. If a task pays $3 but takes 25 minutes plus travel, your real hourly rate drops fast. That's why Premise works better as extra money while you're already out shopping or commuting. Now let's talk payouts. Premise lets you cash out after your earnings are approved. Approval matters because submitted tasks go through review first. If your photos are blurry or your answers don't match the instructions, they can reject the task. That's where a lot of beginners lose money. Follow the task instructions exactly. That's the whole game. Another thing people ask is safety. Premise itself is legitimate, but you're sharing location data and photos. That's part of how the app works. If you're uncomfortable with that, it may not be for you. So who should use it? Use Premise if you're in a city, already move around a lot, and want extra side cash. Skip it if you want consistent online income from home. Quick recap. Premise is a legit app. It pays for local tasks and surveys. Your location affects how much work you get. Task quality affects whether you get paid. Your next step is simple. Download it, check how many tasks appear in your area, and test a few low-effort ones first. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more app reviews and side hustle breakdowns.